I'm inside the venue. I just commuted for like 3 hours from Los Baños to Imus, and here I am now. I'm inside the venue. Me and Yuji came inside the mall together. So yeah, and we'll probably be setting up the venue. First event of the day is Cube. I am aiming for a decent single. Sayang.
Good.
Puro wala. With Ice Feria, former 2x2 NR holder. He joined Visayas Championship 2023 to meet me, and I wasn't even there. And now we finally meet. So plus 2 out of 2x2 NR can. Check back.
Ay, wala. Busy si ate. Busy. Mamaya, wait lang. Ay, wag na ako. Sige, take two. Ay, ako na.
As requested.
Thank you.
Bayaran mo, tingnan mo.
Ito lang po pinunta ko dito eh.
Ay, okay.
Dry mama.
Hindi ako dito.
Yung mga to.
Mahirap na naman ang tutulungan.
Welcome to the vlog, guys. He has a confession. He loves you daw.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Ako nagbayad yan.
Ready taker, grabe.
Ikaw kaya yun? Galing pa Cebu yan. Bayaran mo daw yung shipping fee.
Everyone is the next event, and I'm just looking if I can improve my average from Philippine Championship. So let's do this.
Yes!
Yes! Finally. Unang something sa Pinas! Easy. Easy.
Easy. Sub 9.
You won't low it?
Sub 9.
Ito.
Sub 9.
Sign.
Oh my God!
9-2! Picture.
8 seconds. Ready?
tingin ka.
Plus 2.
That's ngayon 48. Open.
Sorry, Jose. Relax. Relax.
Kami na lang.
Do you like an extra?
Why? Not podium.
Yeah.
How do you do?
Square one, third place with the personal best average of 12.84, yours truly. Second place with an average of 12.13, Sairon Catral. And a champion with national record average, the first top 10 average in the Philippines, 9.23, and personal best single of 8.50, we have Jose Aquino.
Ano yun? Ano yun? CSP?
Let's go, Jose!
Akala ko paano sinasigaw mo CSP.
Iniisip mo.